literally just recorded an entire haul for you guys in 2 videos, and my mic wasn't even on. So what a waste of what, 2.5 hours? So I do have a haul for you guys. This is kind of stuff that I've received in the mail within like the past week, I believe. So first, I only ordered a few things from Lotion Crafter, but I got very big amounts. So I got some more cetyl alcohol. This is a 5-pound bag. I went through my last 5-pound bag so quickly, so you know, we needed more. And then I got some ragu age. This ingredient is awesome for under eye creams. Highly recommend. I also got some Euxyl PE 9010, which is a water-soluble broad-spectrum preservative that I use in a lot of products I sell on Etsy. I got some licorice root extract. This is an awesome brightening extract, and I use it in all of the jelly masks I sell on my Etsy shop. And that's it. That's all I got from Lotion Crafter, so not too much. Then I placed an order with Bulk Apothecary. So this website I absolutely love, but they're always out of stock of what I need, and I think it's because they just have really good prices. And I really love that they're located in Ohio, so I always get my orders very, very quickly. But I got some cucumber kiwi cooler fragrance oil. I use this fragrance oil in my Jupiter body scrub I sell on Etsy, and they've been out of stock of it forever. And they were out of stock of the larger size, so I just got 3 smaller sizes because, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. I got a 5-pound bag of kaolin clay, 5-pound bag of rose clay, and then I also got lids for my 4-ounce jars, but I put those away because I already recorded this haul and I'm not gonna go get them. Let's move on to what I got on Amazon. Let's move all this stuff out of the way first. It's not as exciting because I already opened it all up. But first, all right, so I really have been wanting to get new packaging that I use for my YouTube videos because I really like to reuse my containers, you know, try to be a little bit more eco-friendly. But when I make face washes and you use the pump caps, those tubes and the pumps are really hard to clean. So I got these because these they're so much easier to clean out. So I figured these would be a lot easier to use for like face washes and stuff. And I love how like soft they are. They have like a really soft texture and they're frosted. I think they're really cute. So you'll be seeing these a lot more on my channel. And I'll link everything down below too. Then I got some cream of tartar. I've been wanting to make bubble bars for so long now. I've never made bubble bars. And apparently this is like a necessity to have to make bubble bars. Let me know if that's true or not. That's just what I've read. So I bought some. I actually went to go make bubble bars the other day, but I didn't have any cream of tartar, and I could have sworn I already bought some, but I guess I didn't. This literally looks like it's wrapped in duct tape. I got bottles just like the ones I showed you, but larger. These will be great for body washes, body lotion, shampoos, conditioners, anything, you know? And they're super soft. They're really fancy, sleek. Love them. I think you guys are gonna be excited about this because I've gotten a lot of requests to make lip gloss. So I got these kinds of tubes, which you probably can't see from that far away. They're just like the normal ones with like the doe foots. I don't know why I say normal. I guess they're just the more common ones to me. And let me just say, these are kind of crappy. This is not very good quality at all. They honestly are already like all scratched up. I'm not really sure how you sanitize the doe foots though. I see people just soak them in Dawn dish soap on YouTube, but that's not really the most sanitary way of doing it, I don't think. That's kind of another reason why I want to start making lip gloss on my channel, because a lot of the lip gloss tutorials I see here on YouTube they're not using the most sanitary methods. And so I have 2 missions here on my channel. My first mission is to make entrepreneurs out of everybody. I love sharing what I know so other people can also do it. I just know what it's like to be working a 9-to-5, hating your job, and then just dreaming of having your own business or another method of making money using your own creativity and stuff. So a mission behind my channel is to make entrepreneurs out of everybody, or whoever wants to be entrepreneurs. My other mission is to show people how to make cosmetics in the most, for lack of a better word, professional way, to make products that are similar to the products you would buy from like the drugstore or any other place that sells beauty care products. And that's why I want to make some lip glosses, just to show people, you know, the more sanitary method of making lip gloss, which obviously I'm a beginner at making lip gloss. Never made it before, so I'm gonna have to be doing some practicing, but at least I'll be showing people like the more sanitary methods honestly, I don't know how to sanitize these little doe foots. I probably just won't. I'll just sanitize this parts. So if you have any advice on that, let me know. I don't think soaking it in Dawn dish soap is the best method, honestly, because I feel like this will just absorb liquid. I don't know. But it's just gonna be me using this stuff anyways. I don't plan on selling lip gloss. I ain't getting into that market. And then I got these kinds of lip gloss tubes too, which, yeah, I don't know. I just picked these ones up too. Make something different, I guess. And I love that it came with syringes. It actually came with 3 syringes, so it'll be a lot easier to fill these. And I don't know what this is. This came with this, but maybe to help fill it. I don't know. We'll figure out once we go to make lip gloss. But I'm excited about that, and I hope you guys are excited to potentially see some lip gloss recipes on my channel. We'll dig into it another day, not today. But yeah, so that's everything I recently got. I do have another package coming later today, so I'll haul that later on once it comes, and I'm super excited about that stuff because it is the stuff I got to help to make my lip glosses. Now I need to go re-record those 2 YouTube videos I literally just recorded, so yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Oh my gosh. Okay, all right. I recorded the haul of the rest of the items that were supposed to come, and my mic wasn't on again. I'm a failure. I'm so sorry. I'm going to re-record this haul again in my next vlog when I make another vlog. So I'm so sorry, guys. I hope I learned from my mistakes after this. Body, Nature's Farm Girl, Kennedy's Essentials, LettsBlend, Wildflower, Heartfelt Beauty, KAJ Bath & Body, Blue Mint Soaps, Salt Air Label, Lanice Beauty, Shark City Naturals, Ohana Lay, Danny Botanicals, Hempy Girl, Brie Maquillage, Alchemy and Clay, Bible Belt Boutique, London Latris, Naturally Flawless, Beauty by Riza, Hijab Spa, Facial Daily Rituals, Your Spiritual Midwife 333, and Paige Marie Hair Care. I also sell skincare products myself over on Etsy. I'll link my Etsy shop down below along with all my lovely patrons.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm frozen. I'm